everyone, this is Kathy. I have just found another good company that's selling commercial lighting and household lighting. Right now behind me is l.sha Lighting Technology. Founded in 2008, they have already been really professional on R&D, selling and manufacturing about commercial lighting and household lighting. Speaking of which, why don't we come in and see what's out there? Let's go. Hello, my name is Kathy. May I have your name?
Yeah, nice to see you, Cassie. Here's Lenny.
Okay, so Lenny, please tell us something about your company.
Okay, first of all, we are very great to meet you all in l.sha exclusive interview. Okay, we have been products commercial lighting for last 12 years.
Okay.
And before, we have producing the products, design and sales and service the customer by one team's work. And we have been work for Europe market, Indian market, and Middle East market for past 12 years.
Wow,
yeah.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's please show us something about your products.
Sure. Okay. So in front of all of us, this is our commercial lighting. Okay. We have some SMD commercial downlight and the COB downlight, even the linear and the check light and the wall light. So most of different products, it is depend on where we want to using. We can work on for the commercial area and the home decoration.
Okay, that's cool. So they're lighting their products mainly for commercial using or household lighting. As long as you need it, I think they can give you a perfect solution for that. Okay.
Yes.
What's more?
Yeah. So in this area, it is our displays area. You can see different kinds of products. It's in this commercial area, like this kind of service lamp we can put on the ceiling. Even we can DIY the design by ourselves, by different group, like this way, even like this.
So they can be customized. That's really cool.
Yes. Okay, this is also one of very popular and fast-moving items we exporting. It have different size. Mostly our item we can provide from the small cut size like 35 mm until 165.
Wow.
So different size.
Yeah. So there are a lot of choices for you to choose, especially about the dimensions from the smallest one to the bigger one.
Yeah, complete family according to that.
Cool.
Okay. So in this area, we also searching for some special anti-glare design. We usually to provide for the hotel project or the house project where we want to focus some area specially. This is the product series. So as long as the place that needs the light concentrating on one spot, I think this could be a good choice for you. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
Yeah, sure. So now let's go and have a look some area we specially to display our products. For example, this is the area for our meeting hall. Many of our customers, they will put some highlight on the ceiling, like this kind, the meeting hall, and trying to focus some of products on the table and special focus the displays here.
Yeah, we can take this situation like a living room or a meeting room in your office.
Yes. We can use some magnetic check light and magnetic hanging light in this area. Yeah. So
can you please show us the effect, like how it turns on and how it turns off?
Yeah, so we can show to you especially in our displays area because this is higher now. I think most of us not able to take it down.
Yeah, sure, thank you.
So let's see the dinner room. This is, for example, one of our dinner room. On the dinner table, we were special to focus some of spotlight and cover the area for the table. And whenever we have meeting or we eating here, the food is more fresher. Like this kind.
Yeah, when we gather at the table and the lights like this, they can concentrate the light down on the food to make them look tasty or bright.
See, some kinds of wall light, you even can DIY somewhere empty of wall. So you can see, you can focus the weight by your own. Even you can design it by yourself.
Well, I think the style is really modern and meets the fashion of most of the young people right now. So it is adjustable, it's flexible.
So you can make your home more fashioned for these kinds of simple lighting.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Yes. So we also using some of the LED strip light to make it the area is something special. For example, you don't want to brighten it that much. You can only to turn on the LED strip light like this area.
Please show us. Now we are at the meeting room. So Lenny, what's good about the meeting room?
Okay. For example, we mostly will be instruction our customer that set up the LED strip light in the background, like this TV wall. Yeah. You can feel that you can off other lighting and only set up this LED strip. Then you feel more romantic atmosphere. Yeah.
Okay.
So even now, even if you have more friends in your home, you need to using some more item. You can search on the lightings on the table, and it will be special focus the brightness on the table and increase the linears like this way.
Yes. So this kind of lighting effect reminds me of some good romantic atmosphere. It's perfect for watching a movie at home.
Yes. Okay. Even if you have a meeting, family meeting, or more friends, you want to set up the party, you want more brightness, then we can switch on all the light together.
Yeah, do it, please.
Yeah, switch on all the light together. Yeah, like this.
Wow.
So the brightness will be increased, then you can enjoy the party here.
Yeah, that's very impressive.
Thank you.
Okay.
So now let's go for next. This is for example,
right?
a living room.
This is a living room, a bedroom.
Yeah, the bedroom.
Yeah.
Mostly in the bedroom, we don't stretching that much lighting.
Yeah.
So we will take it as less as comfortable you want. So we will be set up a brightness in the background like LED strip. You can see the LED strip lights there. And
inside the wall.
Yeah, two special spotlight. It is focused on the below.
Yeah, on
because many of family they want to take the special nice below, so they want to focus and reading the books there. So this is one of the good idea.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, because we don't need as much as light in our bedroom, so I think maybe a strip light and one or two spotlights in the bedroom is enough. Okay.
Yeah, like this kind.
Okay. And anything you want to show us?
So this is the different area we are showing, like the meeting room, dinner room, and the living room.
Yeah.
And maybe some area you also have a mini bar. So the mini bar, we will be stretching you some kind of like this kind hanging lamp.
Yeah. Not just a mini bar. I think if you have an open kitchen in your home, I think this could be available.
Right. Even you can adjustable different kinds of lighting. You can see the light there. Okay. We have 3 different head. So you can set up with the hanging and the recessed item, the DIY by yourself.
Okay, I see. Wow.
Okay, so we are not only to producing the products as well, we are doing the smart lighting also. Yeah. So in this area, we could like to share you sometimes it is the future lighting for the home, like the smart dimmable switch, whatever we can working on in the home. So like this kinds of smart switch.
Yeah, basically you are doing the switch really well.
Yeah, and this kinds of magnetic check light. Just now you was asking me how to take it out.
Wow.
So this kinds of magnetic check light, it is working with these 2 magnetic and transfer the voltage from here.
Yeah, please show to the camera.
Yeah, like this kinds. So you can easily to take it out from the magnetic check. Even the kids can be working on that because it is 48 voltage. It is not not danger for any of the kids or the elder people.
So anybody, no matter how old they are, they can.
Exactly, it's easy to DIY by yourself.
Yeah. Okay.
So like this kinds of support light and LED strip light.
Yeah, so I think they really play smart to the very good role. Okay.
Yeah.
So, that's really cool about your lighting.
Yeah, this is the smart camera.
Okay, so I also noticed that your product also works with Apple HomeKit and Huawei Highlink.
Yes.
Okay, that's really smart.
You know, all the young people now almost 20 hours playing with mobile.
Yeah.
So they can controlling and they can set up the lighting, DIY the lighting mood by themselves, emotion good.
Okay, I think so. So I think that's really good about the introduction of about l.sha lighting technology, right, Lenny?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are really interested in their products, you can like this video and leave your comments below.
Yes.
And if you want to contact them, you can scan the QR code at the end of the video, and we're going to have a personal consultant for you.
Yes.
So stay tuned. This is l.sha lighting technology. Once again, thank you, Lenny.
Thank you, Cassie.
Thank you.
Nice to meeting you.
Nice to meeting you too.
Okay.